everyone, it's been a long time since I showed up in person, and the reason is because of this recipe from RJ the Magician from TikTok. He made bacon bread. Making bacon from bread. Let that sink in for a moment. Who doesn't love bread? And if you can make bacon out of bread, it just blew my mind. I really had to try this out to see if it is worth all the hype that it's been generating for a couple of weeks now. So let's get started, and hey, welcome to Alchemy.
The original recipe calls for potato bread, but I can't find it here, so used what I had, which was wheat bread. Now remove the brown sides of the bread and press it down using a rolling pin. Pressing it down really hard is important, as that's the tip RJ suggests to get the bacon bread look like bacon. You can make 3 strips from each bread. Now I combined a couple of them to make a longer one as well for the alternate version, which is coming up in the later part of the video. It has to look something like this thin. The original version contains equal amounts of soy and maple syrup, olive oil. I use sunflower oil and half a teaspoon of paprika. I use chili powder in place of that, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder, nutritional yeast, liquid smoke, and mushroom powder. I tweaked this and added onion powder as well. Now I have listed his TikTok link down below in the description. Do check them out if you want to do the original recipe. In a follow-up video, he suggests a couple of options, and this is made with barbecue sauce, maple syrup, etc. So add what you want and make your own version. I added honey, black pepper, and chili powder for color. On a pan, add in some vegan butter and some bit of oil. Now you have to fry this in medium heat. So let the pan be really hot and then dip the bread into the marinade and let it soak for a couple of seconds and then fry them off. I mean, you can actually call this as a fried bread or crouton, or maybe even toast that got too much time on the pan. What do you guys think? Type in your honest comments. Coming back, you have to flip these constantly until you see nice color on the edges. And since we're testing, I cooked a batch for 2 minutes and then another batch for 1.5 minutes. Now once cooked, place them on a fork to get a curl as it cools. Or you can probably even skip this step and cut your strips in a way it is curled. Even that works.
So I'm gonna taste this one, the one which was cooking for about 2 minutes, and see how this tastes, okay? This tastes like fried bread, literally. And I think because it's been cooked for a long time, it's really crisped up well. This doesn't really feel like a bacon to me. The same marinade, different cooking time. Let's see how this one tastes. No sound. Definitely bends like bacon. You need to cook this for less than 2 minutes, okay? Don't make it crispy. It ends up as chip, as you saw. This is really nice. I mean, this is good, really good. Look wise, this guy looks like a bacon. I mean, it's glistening. It's definitely gonna be sweeter, my kind of taste. Okay, I've added a lot of pepper in this and it's hitting me. My thoughts, this works. Okay, if you are somebody who likes a sweet taste, this works. Okay, but I would rather prefer the earlier one, which was cooked for just a minute and a half, because this gives out almost flavor of a bacon. Now you really can't get an absolute bacon flavor. I mean, certain things just ought to taste a certain way, right? This is really good. You guys ought to try this, okay? You guys ought to try this. If you don't have any other powders, you really need to try this.
So if this video on making bacon from bread, or the bread bacon or the bacon bread, is worth your time, come on, smash that like button and tell me what you liked and didn't like about this video. Anything. It helps me to make better videos for you. And if you're interested, check out what happened when I put strawberries in salt water. And until next time, see you later.